Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the best online businesses that you can start in 2022 as a beginner. It is going to be a great video for you all, so make sure to keep watching until the end. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. This way, you will never miss a single video from us in the future, so you'll stay up to date with some great content your way. With that out of the way, let us begin with this video. Are you also considering to start your own online business or an e-commerce website but you cannot figure out how to start? Well, don't worry, as we have got you covered. In this video, we are going to talk about how 5 businesses which have the highest potential to be successful in 2022, and they are comparatively easy, so you do not need to be a pro. Drop shipping. This is one of the most popular means of online business in today's time. It is really easy for anyone to handle, and the best part is that you do not have to invest your money initially. Instead, you will wait for an order from one of your clients. They will give you an advance. Then you'll place an order with a third-party seller, and then you deliver it to the client. It is really convenient to start with this strategy. Say if the original price of the item is $20, you can ask for $25 or even $30, depending on the item, and the surplus amount is kept by you as the commission. It is really easy to begin, and you can make a good amount of money with it. Also, I would recommend you to get your hands in rare items, as this will allow you to have a better commission. E-commerce. E-commerce is another one of the most famous and reliable sources of starting a new business this year. I am pretty sure that you already know e-commerce is, right? In easy words, e-commerce means making a website and selling your products over there. This includes making a new project of your own, and it could be anything, like a necklace or something unique of your perfection. This is also known as small business on TikTok and Instagram Reels, and I am sure you might have seen at least one of those videos on either of these platforms. It is really simple, and the best part about e-commerce is that you are selling something unique, which is establishing your brand, but you will have to make some investments, like purchasing domains and hosting for the website, etc. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is also one of the most reliable sources of income in recent days, and the profit margins on this type of business is really high as well. You can get a commission of up to 90% of the original price of the item, which is really high. Just like e-commerce, you have to make a website, and instead of marketing your own products, you have to advertise some other products. You can do that in partnership with brands like Amazon, and it is really popular nowadays. You need to have a blogging website, which has a steady number of visitors, and ideally, it must be monetized by AdSense. Once you are allowed to partner up with a merchant, say Amazon in this case, you'll have to make blog posts in which you can either compare or give details about products on Amazon, and make sure that you have your reference links in the blogs. Whenever someone clicks on that link, they get attached to your merchant account, and even if they don't buy you recommended product, you will get a bit of commission if they purchase anything from their cart. The commission varies from 10 to 90%, which is really insane. Print on demand. Now, you might know about this already. This is an on-demand service, and you need minimum tools in order to start doing print on demand. All you need to do is make a design. If the design is good, then you'll start to get orders from your clients, and in return, you have to provide your designer products. Now, these products can be shirts, mugs, and anything like that. It is really appropriate for the ones who need something to help their creative ideas, and you can make plenty of money if you get enough traction on your designs. Other than that, investments are minimum, and they hold the potential for high profits. Drop servicing. This is very similar to drop shipping, but instead of selling a product for a higher price, you sell a service. For example, if someone needs a video editor, you will tell them that you can arrange someone for $100, and they agree to it. But instead of doing it yourself, you hire someone else who does the same job at $50. You'll walk away with $50 in profit, while neither the client and the freelancer knows that you made so much money. It is a great option for the people who have a good amount of contact with the freelancing community, and since your job is to be an intermediate between the client and the freelancer, you do not have to do a lot. So this sums up the video. We hope that you liked it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.